an easy way to flip the state of all checkboxes.
All right, so there's a cool trick where you can multi-select these checkboxes. Notice that the active cell right here is B4, which is currently true, and when I press spacebar, it changes everything to false. Boy, that's not really what I would want to happen. And if I select the other way, starting from a false cell, and then press spacebar, it changes everything to true. So it's toggling the active cell and propagating through the whole thing. That's not really what I think would be useful. Wouldn't it be better if we had something that would flip those? So here's a macro on my quick access toolbar. See, it just changes them all. Or a couple of other macros I have up there that will make everything true or make everything false. Let's take a look at the code. So just in case someone selected the entire spreadsheet and ran the macro, I want to do just special cells that are constants and the 4 says logicals. That'll limit it to just the checkbox cells and just simply reverse if it's true, make it false. If it's false, make it true. Turn off error checking. For all true, we just say cell value equals true. For all false, cell value equals false. Put these in your personal macro workbook, add them to the quick access toolbar, and you'll have 3 awesome tricks to make these new checkboxes even better.
All right, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel. If you like these videos, please down below like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the comments below.